Good morning, everyone, and thanks for joining me in this video. Happy New Year to you all. This is 2025, right? Very good. The 2025 everybody have been clamoring for or waiting for. Now, there are so many fights that followed 2024 into 2025. And when I'm talking about the fight, I'm talking about the internal fight in Nigeria. Now, listen. You see, when I tell people that Nigeria is not meant to be one, we need to sit down and discuss on how this country is going to break up. Very important though. When Goodluck Jonathan was the president, you see people opposing him. The North, the West, everybody they were opposing him. That Goodluck is not good. Upon everything Goodluck did for the North, for the West, Goodluck did not even develop his place. But he put the North in order. Now, after Goodluck, Buhari entered. Buhari was naturally bad, clueless, terrible, sponsoring terrorists and all those things. So everybody, many people was against Buhari. There is no doubt about that. Now, after Buhari, Tinubu entered. The North is still saying, complaining that no, we are no longer part of Nigeria. All these things happening is what I call the theory of tribalism. When you study the theory of tribalism, you will understand what is going on in Nigeria is a normal thing. Yes, it is a normal thing. You see, every tribe must protect their own. Every tribe is a nation. Hausa is a nation of their own. Fulani is a nation of their own. Yorubas, nation of their own. Bini, nation of their own. Igbos, nation of their own. The Ijaws, Urhobos, nation of their own. The India will realize this, the better for us. Now, look at a lot of things that are going on. I don't like things that I'm seeing on the internet, like things that are trending. That the Nigeria 5 events that could strengthen Tinubu's northern support in 2027. Who is talking about 2027? As if 2027, whether Nigeria will be alive till then, nobody knows. Now, this one is from leadership, says that no going back to tax reforms. Tinubu declared. The North prepared, okay, but Tinubu is challenging them. Tinubu is ready for them. Now, political machinery. Erufai mocks Omokri. Share old post saying no drug baron in Aso Rock. You know, Reno Omokri have been saying that Tinubu is a drug baron. He cannot enter Aso Rock now. He is supporting Tinubu. Erufai and Reno Omokri has been fighting dirty. You know, the fight is because Reno Omokri just want to defend Tinubu so that they will pay him as usual. These are the things going on. It's not fair. It's not fair. Just take a listen to all these things.
Mr. President, you are not doing the mandate we give to you. If you are doing the mandate, governors want, and they say this tax, they should withdraw it. Go and make consultation. You say no way, and you, in your speech you say no going back. So it means whatever you decide is what you do. Your Excellency, remember, during Obasanjo, when he was the president, if they send you as a governor, you don't come to meeting, you send your deputy governor to come. Why now you're a president, the governor said they don't need this thing and you say you need it? Why? What is your interest on that tax? Then they ask you that this road that you are doing on the 15 trillion road on high sea, people doesn't need that road. We don't have a road to walk in. There's no road motorable that we can walk. You say you will do it. Why do you stick to anything that people say they don't need? You say you need it. Why? And you say we vote you. Actually, we vote you out again because you are not following what we need. We vote you not to come use us on autocracy. This is not military, Mr. President. We are people, we are Nigerian, we are human beings, we are like you. There's no different blood between you and us. The only difference, we vote you as a president. And all of us cannot be a president. And before you come, mind the people are there. So, Mr. President, this stampede cause a shame. People sharing rights want to die. And you say they should investigate. Investigate who? I went for palliative just to help people. Then I will be arrested and sentenced to prison tomorrow. Do you expect me to do? It's a failure of the government. That is why they are looking for food. Even COVID-19, people doesn't look food for as we are now. COVID-19 come and the past Buhari manage it. You doesn't even manage. If it's COVID-19, which means many people must have died. Because you don't manage the people. You don't know how to manage people at all. And you don't have manner of approach to your people. You just do anything you want as if it's a force we want you to be there. Fine, Mr. President, thank you very much. We wish you success, but 2027, we vote you out. To play anything you want to, you are not coming back. No way we will vote you in. Because if you vote you in, it will be worse than this. This is more than COVID-19. People are suffering. There's no food. And anybody give palliative, you say they should be arrested and investigated. Why? or somebody just make a comment that this is what happened in the government, you just send security to arrest him. Me, I don't care for arrest. I don't care to die. It's nothing. It's a normal. If you arrest me today, after you go out, I will come out. Because you can't remain there forever. You cannot, and your plan will not work. That voting is Viva will go vote. So if you vote you out, you go. Nobody can deceive us, say, this is what we need and we'll go for it. We can't go for it, Mr. President. Thank you.
This is the consequence of the vote you voted. And it's too early to cry now because actually the real problem hasn't come.
Some people are planning to bring the old voting system where you will have your ballot paper in your room and continue to print it. It can't work, Oga President. It will not work. You say 6 years tenure, it no work. Tax, it no work. Food is expensive. You know you are not winning. You know you are not winning. Look at what happened in Ghana. Let's take example of Ghana. If they win, you just say you congratulate them. I have some of your supporters say you are not like Jonathan. We will win you and you will go. We will win you and you will go. And that voting will go for Viva. Nobody will force us for any voting. We are not monarch and we are not under your distance. We vote you to rule us for the 4 years. Nobody will go for 6 years and nobody will carry that back to that ballot paper where you will carry it, go Lagos in your house, continue to print it. You say you win election. No way, Oga. Nobody can force us that thing. We don't afraid of anybody, but only we can respect. Me, I can only respect, but we can't fear, and we continue educating our people to know. Nobody will take us this thing. Let the law let them take it to National Assembly to back us by Viva, not by the other card where you just carry it and vote. We cannot go back to that system again. Why don't we go forward? Every day we are reversing. Why? Why don't we go forward, Oga? Mr. President, if they vote you order you say, well, we had that you have supposed to say you are not a Jonathan. If they vote you, you will say no. This will 2027 you will see it. One will vote you out, don't say you will not go, make we see them. You will go. If they vote you out, you will go. If you win, you win. We know my you can win. You cannot win, we will not pray. Me, Gololo, I no pray for God, make you win. If I want pray, make I die. I know what make you win. Because I vote you, I work for you, and I see how you take us from the north. So, north and east and south, we will present our vote to the spirit candidate that can flog you hands down. We don't need it. Even the south was no vote. It's not only 6 states. Kanu and Kaduna covered the whole of their vote. So we are going for one candidate now. The east and south are not. We are grouping and we are campaigning and they have understand where we are going. That is where we are going, Oga. And if you vote, you say you are not going, I'll make you see. They vote. If you not they vote, you come out. You win election, and that's why you be a president. And then the win, you say you are not a Jonathan, you can't go. You will go if you lose, Oga. You will go. You don't pass. Everybody have his own right to speak. You will go. Human right. If somebody talk, you will arrest him. If you charge him to court, you give him terrorists. Anybody talk about the government are terrorists. If you not talk, now good man, Oga. Please, this is democrat. As you say, you are the one who fight soldier. Is that how you fight the soldier? You fight the soldier to bring democrat, but you come as a monarch. You come as a detector. You want to use one party system. It can't work. Even if you destroy PDP, you destroy MPP, you destroy Labour, there's another party. We can carry any party. But I'm still in APC. To when I hear say they give you ticket, that day I drove from the motor. From there, because I will not vote you. And we will campaign against you till we see say that 2027, you go. Bye-bye. Especially being from the north. 19 states from the north, including our Christian brothers and Muslims. I want us to take care of ourselves and study something. We are Nigerians, not anything, but the unity first. Unity first before any other things. If you don't have a unity, there's nothing we can go. So we need unity on this country. Because the present government, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GSON, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, is only making appointment on 6 states only, southwest state, which in Nigeria we have 36 states. So 30 states, including Abuja, were away from the appointment. The appointment only take one side. Check the appointment and check how since he comes. Is that how we are going to continue? 2027, my brothers, let us form a rule party that we can be able to offset this man. Forget about party. Even if APC give him, I'm APC myself, no problem. But let us take a party that we can be able to defeat him, and let us bring somebody whom is tested and trust, and everywhere they receive, including the South, they have a fans. We cannot take somebody who doesn't have a fans and you expect you win a result. We take somebody who is tested, whom people know is popular, he have contested before, then we just now follow and take him as a candidate. In any party, we can score through and we offset this man out. Because we cannot, is the unity of Nigeria. I am Nigeria. I don't care whether I'm from the north or from, but what after is the unity of Nigeria. We have lost that unity because this appointment is going for only 6 states. So people know and people understand, and both of us we vote. Why are we treated like this? So we thank him and we wish him the best for 2027. But let us has now set ready for 2027. We bring a candidate who is well received to the Nigerian and who can bring the unity of Nigeria, because we lost the unity as I'm talking to you. We lost the unity. Everything is from the only 6 states. Is that how we are going to say? From the southwest? Well, we are 36 states, including Abuja 37, so 31-0. So this thing we cannot accept it, but 2027 our vote will determine where we are going. We don't care, police or soldier, if you like carry all air, from here to anywhere, carry a shield, carry all artillery, carry gombite, all put, we will vote whom we need to vote.
You decide the person you can contest?
No, we cannot be able to measure the person for now, but we are the person who is tested, well-known and popular. I don't want to measure the person. It's well-known and tested and popular as the person we are going to vote. We can't vote this thing again. We know all Nigerians. I have so many friends from the east. I have many people from the south. The appointment is not even from the south or from the east or from rather from the north. It's only for 6 states. The cheating is too much, and we cannot take it any longer. And we don't go for protest. We don't go for anything. Please put your voter card on your pocket. Don't lose it, and don't go for protest where police can just chase you out. Please, thank you.
What is your last message?
My last message is to Nigeria. We have to come together and group ourselves as a broom. We are all Nigeria. Then we start and let us work together. We remain in one Nigeria. And I pray for Nigeria, a Federal Republic of Nigeria. And we are still in Nigeria. And nobody will share us. And nobody will bring war. Inshallah, we remain together. Minister of Works went to Sokoto. He's telling Sokoto that the job will start from Badagry to Sokoto 2027. You did it before you do it. We can't do it. We cannot vote Tinubu. We can't vote hungry. We can't. How many votes do you bring from Igbo as a governor Omahi? Your Excellency, how many votes do you bring from Igbo during the campaign? How many votes? If it's for your vote from the east as well, Tinubu will not become a president. We vote Tinubu from the north, so you can't tell us what. We know what to do to remove him 2027. Serious. You can't command anybody in Sokoto. Who are you? Because they give you contract of 15 trillion. You say Sokoto? Who are the contractor of that company? What is the name of the company from Badagry to Sokoto Road? And why do they start? Where do they put their bulldozer? You are telling people story, lie. You are a liar. And God will ask you that in what you are telling people. It is no good. And now you revoke contract to Kaduna for the road. Where are the contractor? Which contractor do you give the road? From Okonga to Jos, problem. From Jos to Bauchi, Gombe, all. Have to both out to Maiduguri, no problem. Where do they do the road? From Bino here, if you are going to Kalba, problem. From here, if you are going to no road you commission as a minister. Before when you come, you are visiting the whole site, putting steel helmet, waiting whether I will do this. So this we just want to campaign. Why don't you go campaign for Sokoto? We cannot vote Tinubu for 2027 from the north. We cannot. It's right there we die. We cannot vote hungry. So far, and the only appointment where it is appointing Yorubas from Lagos, not from Ogun, not from Ondo. Then we go voting for what? This person who is taking one side. Okay, why they not arrest Sunday Abo? He want a protest in London. Tinubu doesn't make the arresting. But they are sending security to arrest Bello Bodejo, arrest Kanu. People who are standing for their people, they want to arrest them because this one is a Fulani, this one is an Igbo one. But Sunday Abo is patrolling, even is making a party yesterday. He threw a party in Ibadan. He was not arrested. Somebody is preaching for Adudua. Then you want us to vote again. Then when we vote for 2027, what will come out? Then what we are afraid, and then this person is the same person want to change vehicle every year. The president every year will change vehicle. Food alone for presidency is 49.6 trillion. for food, billion for food alone for president. Then he want to change Bekul every year. Do you come to change Bekul, or you come for function, or you come to work for Nigeria? Mr. President, I campaign with you. You know me, I know you. You say we should give you Nigeria. There's any hope. Which where is any hope? All you tell us is not true. And you say you suspend all your activities in Lagos. Okay, you suspend the activities because people die on the food. What do you send the food for them to celebrate the Christmas? You have no activities there in Lagos. You just go there to rest. Which activities? You said just a pity, Your Excellency. You don't have any activities there. You go there to rest. And people die for hunger because they want to get the food. Do you send the food for those people so that a brother can go for Christmas? No. You say suspend the activities. That cannot solve the solution. We expect you to send like 100 or 300 trailers to that area so that people can go for Christmas everywhere in Nigeria, because of this shameful something that happened, which the world have seen it, because it has seen it is under Vera already. This is the first time that Nigerian, the giant of Africa, people will die for food inside crowd because of food. You will just die. It's a shame. Not war, not anything. Then you are talking about voting. No security in Sokoto, no security in Zamfara, no security in Kaduna. Then people are dying. They cannot follow the road travel. Then you say we know what to do. 20. Thank God you say we know what to do. 20 to 27 before 12, Oga, you don't go. You and your Oga will go and we will investigate you. Mind you, after that, we'll investigate all the money you collected from Ministry of Works. Beware. Because I have the total, all the money given to you. So beware, you will visit EFCC after we come up 2027. By 12 o'clock, your Oga, you will follow him. Maybe you will vote you and Igbo and Lagos, but not for not. We can't vote him. You can't force us. Who are you even to tell us whom to vote? Who are you? Who are you? You are challenging us all the northern. Who are you? What qualification do we have? I'm having a PhD. You can't compare with me. An engineer. You say you are engineer. Engineer to whom? You are engineer for a boy. People are fighting between your border and Benue. What do you do to that solution? Do you go there and visit the place and you see it? Do you commission any road as a minister since you come? No. Then you expect us again saying what you are telling us what to do in Sokoto. We should vote. You are not. Your campaign is nonsense. We can't vote 2027. We are taking Tinubu out. We can't vote where a Christian can die for.